Afternoon, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. Is the screen is much visible? Better than earlier. So the reason why I have arranged this session in this before lunch, I would like to give some kind of brief about group housing design as we are preparing final submission for group housing design. So I would like to talk to a few important things regarding to sections and elevations and also service relevant drawings. Okay. So basically you are required to prepare how many types of drawings? One is site plan. Site plan with what scale you are preparing? 1:5. So all of you, please put it on some note, all these things. Your site plan is required, it should be in well present mode. Well rendered site plan is required. Site plan is required, site section. Same scale, site section. So in this site section, you need not to give much details over the skyline of the site. The outer line of the buildings are quite enough. Right? The longitudinal section. Suppose your site is like this. So the longitudinal section. Along the face of the site, you have to cut the section. You will have a road here. Road का साथ 60 meter wide road and 12 meter wide road. So दोनों road का साथ site. Your road and that road also properly the 60 meter wide road proper section. I have given such few road sections recently in your WhatsApp group. So refer those sections and you can paste it in your AutoCAD plan a section. Likewise, we check 12-meter road. This 12-meter road is also required and 6-meter wide road is also required. And compound wall both sides. Then after your setbacks, your landscape, your building profile. So just a skyline. Skyline of the building is okay. And that should be 1:5 scale. Well rendered means proper light weights, proper coloring, landscape area by landscape road area by road relevant color, building. So overall, you have to show the top view of the site. Site plan is nothing like some of you are showing the building plans the site. That is wrong. Building plans to site पे पेश करके then you are saying this is site plan. Some of you are pasting basement plans and you are saying this is site plan. That is not. It's like a bird's eye view. One bird is flying and viewing your site. How it will look from the top portion of the site. So what are the features will be appear when you see your site from vertically, perpendicularly from top. So you will have all the buildings and terraces. You can see parapet wall thickness. You can see staircase, overhead rooms. You can see water tanks. You can see lift rooms. You can see some kind of ducts or open to sky courtyards in between the buildings. So all this profile will be required. And you can see roads. You can see roads with nice turning radius, landscapes. You can see parks with pavilions. You can see parks with pavilions, parks, playground with different equipment, shopping area with parking, school building top, shopping area top view. So all. So don't worry, you did not design a shopping complex and also school building. Just give a top. At least give a double line terrace. How much calculate how much built area it is occupying, how much ground coverage, and you can put it. एक जगह आरक्षित करो उस जगह में एक बॉक्स अपने डब्बा डालो with a different form. Okay. See, my dear, since site plan would be the first page, means after the cover page, so that is going to impact your entire portfolio. And the overall site may enters, exits, SRA. You have to mention in the site plan, you are required to mention the details. Suppose you can give an order A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So where you can give some kind of A means type 1, Students, I am suffering with a lot of network issues here. Am I audible now?
Yes, sir. So अब थोड़ा सा
Really, more from morning onwards, I couldn't take any class because of this network issues in this area. Even I'm using my mobile network. Mobile network is also not having that much quality. I'm very sorry. So I have to take class at my home only. Then only I can continue. Otherwise, I can't. It seems like that. So anyhow, try to understand. So my only intention is I can say my syllabus is completed. So I need not to teach anything, but I don't want to say like that. I want to improve your quality of sheets. So although your few students are joining for this session out of 36, but your sheets should have good in quality. Some of you are growing in third year, you don't know many things. That's my intention is I want to teach all these things to you. So how to arrange a site plan? So as I told you, you can give A, B, C, D, E, F. So alphabets, don't give capital A, capital B, capital C. You can give small a. Small means small c, D, E, F, G, like that. So all A means type 1 category, B means type 2, C. Suppose you can likewise you can see D shopping mall, shopping center, C school building, park. So like that. If you do A B C D, the people in the same sheet somewhere you can give one box. In that box you can mention A means type 1, B means type 2. Like means this is P means park area. Yeah, F means school. Like that, you can give one box. And don't forget to mention the section line. Section line is also important. Side section and section cutting line. Cutting line. Some of you, these are all the things, every time we are observing from students. You will give section, but you will not give side section. We have to search how you cut the section. Section line is also important. And area distribution. Area distribution details. Area distribution means not area calculation. Not area calculation. Area calculation alage. Area distribution means total site area in that open area and covered area. Total site area so and so square hectares or square meters. इसमें what is the covered area? What is the uncovered or open area? So covered area, open area. Covered area आपका 33.33%. Open area आपका 66.66% something. So the details about open area. So 33.33%. But don't mention the percentage. At the same time, mention how much area. Area mention the reference square meter area. So like as open area, 66.66 something. Percentage चाहिए. At the same time, how much area is open area? And details of covered area and details of open area. That is the area distribution chart. कवर्ड एरिया में आपको क्या क्या आ जाएगा? टाइप 1, टाइप 2, टाइप 1 ग्राउंड कवरेज कितना है, टाइप 2 ग्राउंड कवरेज कितना है, टाइप 3 कितना है, टाइप 4 कितना है। 8 ब्लॉक वाइज ओवरऑल। टाइप 1 में आपको 6 ब्लॉक्स होगा, टाइप 2 में आपको 4 ब्लॉक्स होगा, टाइप 3 में आपको so different different blocks, but हमको that we are not bothering about n number of blocks, but we are total type 1 how much ground coverage, total type 2 how much ground coverage, so उसके बाद total housing area how much ground coverage, टोटल हाउसिंग के लिए अपने ग्राउंड कवरेज कितना दिया, शॉपिंग एरिया के लिए कितना ग्राउंड कवरेज दिया, स्कूल एरिया के लिए कितना ग्राउंड कवरेज। इसके अलावा और इफ यू हैव गिवन एनी इंडोर स्टेडियम्स और स्पोर्ट्स हाउ मच ग्राउंड कवरेज, और इफ यू हैव गिवन एनी कम्युनिटी सेक्टर हाउ मच ग्राउंड कवरेज, सिक्योरिटी कैबिन्स दे विल नॉट कम इनटू ग्राउंड कवरेज, सिक्योरिटी एंट्रेंस गेट्स में जो व्हाटएवर द स्मॉल स्मॉल रूम्स यू विल गिव टू अस दोस आर पार्ट ऑफ ग्राउंड कवरेज, there are requirements. At the same time, you can't build a gate complex like this. You can't do any big gate complex. The gate is gate, minimum requirements. Okay? So the area distribution details also. Like section, area distribution table or chart. उस साइड प्लान में होना है सारे, ये अलग अलग से नहीं है। सेम साइड प्लान में सेम शीट में इट में भी A0 शीट A1 शीट तो प्रिंट आउट करने के टाइम में पता चलेगा। तो बट डिटेल्स आर साइड सेक्शन विद साइड सेक्शन लाइन and area distribution chart and also this ABCD. No details. A for type 1, B for type 3. So whatever it is, and it should be well rendered and good in line weights and should have proper format with NAT. Sometimes you may forget about NAT mention nahi kare. You have to search for NAT. No. NAT and abutting right of the details. Sorry. Right of way. So there are 4 sides, 4 roads are there. 4 roads are also with proper rendered with breakup line, continuous line. You have to mention 12-meter wide road, 60-meter wide road. करना जरूरी है। ठीक है बच्चे, समझ में आ गया साइड प्लान में क्या फीचर्स चाहिए? किसी को डाउट है? जोएल जॉनसन, do you have any doubt regarding site plan?
No, sir.
Good. Thank you. So next, so we have, suppose this will be your format. Some of you have format like this. It's a choice up to you. I'm not bothering about the format. Here, so you will have typical floor plan 1:100 scale. Typical floor plan of each DU 1:100 scale. दोनों compromisation scale. आप लोग भी प्रिंट आउट पीडीएफ करने के टाइम में स्केल के साथ पीडीएफ करना. And the plan is required. Quality of the typical floor plan good in line weights. सब लोग लिखो एक जगह में line weights should be appropriate, proper order means wall thickness, windows, sill, staircase, section lines. So all these things properly order. So कभी-कभी विंडो लाइन वेट मोटा दिखता है, वॉल पतला दिखता है. नो नॉट लाइक दैट. द कटिंग प्लेन should be perfect. And all DUs आपका एक फ्लोर प्लान में 4 DUs, 6 DUs, एक dwelling units or 8 DUs, 10 DUs, a number of DUs may be there, but each and every DU should have interior furniture details. हर एक DU में फर्नीचर डिटेल्स मेंशन करना जरूरी है. और DU के एंट्री में एंट्रेंस जस्ट यू शो द सिंबल लाइक दिस. तो DU के मेन एंट्रेंस लॉबी, so you have to put this mark. ओके, फ्लोर प्लान्स लाइन वेट्स ठीक होना है. इंटीरियर हर एक किचन में किचन प्लेटफॉर्म, बेडरूम में बेड लोकेशन ऑफ बेड, whether it is master bedroom or children bedroom or guest bedroom or parents bedroom, whatever the bedroom, study room is the study room furniture, living hall is the living hall furniture, drawing room is the drawing room furniture, window with sunshade light. Most of the time you forget. You can't give. So the sunshade light you have to. The sunshade line also you must mention. And you need not to do any dimension. Dimension करना जरूरत नहीं. कोई भी running dimensions working times में जैसे sections में करते, don't do any dimension. Just you mention the room. This is bedroom. Okay. 3/4 4 मीटर से लिखने की जरूरत नहीं, बिकॉज नीचे आपका फॉर्मेट में यू गिव नोट्स ऑल डायमेंशंस आर इन mm or meters, whatever you want. Just you mention like this only. 3 2 digits, 4 up to 2 digits, at least 2 digits you can give, because आगे हमको कुछ प्रॉब्लम आ जाएगा, 4 पॉइंट उस पिक्चर में 4.5 आ जाएगा, 4.30 आ जाएगा, so that's why at least after point at least you have to give 2 digits. Okay, so kitchen and dimension. And one more thing, तो इसके अलावा कुछ डायमेंशन कुछ नहीं करना पड़ता. Your plan is in scale, that's enough. The scale नीचे format में mention करो. Mention the scale in the format. Mention the north in the north is also required. North in the format. And all dimensions are whatever the notes you want to give, you can put it in the format. And don't give any running dimensions. And everywhere you can write like this: bedroom, kitchen, drawing room, living hall, toilet. And where you have to write, that also I am telling. Listen here. Where you have to write the whole. Oh, this is kitchen. I am giving, and kitchen will have. So this approximately I have to write. Suppose I want to do the, I want to give the kitchen size details here. Approximately center. Kitchen 2.50 by 3.25. So this dimension part, the lettering and the roof size, this lettering part should be exactly on the center of the room. How can you know the center of the room? You can take this guideline. But this guideline should not appear by using some kind of artwork में कर रहा है लोग एक line खींचो, find the center, paste the text and pass the lines delete करो. Likewise, bedroom में exactly center, drawing में exactly center, dining में exactly center of the room. Okay, so the center of the room, see this text. ऑलवेज यूनिफॉर्म. बेडरूम में किचन में एक साइज है, बेडरूम बड़ा है किचन से बड़ा है, इसलिए मैं टेस्ट को बड़ा करूंगा. नो 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 नो, योर टेस्ट और दिस टेस्ट शुड बी इन यूनिफॉर्म इन ऑल ड्राइंग्स. माय डियर, एक्सपेरिमेंट, डोंट डू एक्सपेरिमेंट. टॉयलेट छोटा है, मैं टॉयलेट को मैं टेस्ट में कम करूंगा. बेडरूम बड़ा है, बेडरूम में बड़ा टेस्ट करूंगा. बेडरूम Don't do like that. Whether it is bedroom or a toilet or kitchen or balcony, text should be uniform. In that there is no compromise. Okay? And sometimes balcony को dimension देना मत. Don't give any dimension for balcony. I just you have to write 1.2 meter wide. Balcony. 1.5 meter wide balcony. 1 meter wide balcony. So you can write along the balcony. Suppose your balcony is like this. Right along the balcony. Balcony is center. 1 meter wide balcony. 1.2 meter wide balcony. And one more important thing, ये समझ में आ गया आपको? All of you, are you following what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
Dinesh, Vanshi, Lovely, Harshit, Ajay, Vish,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
बच्चे ये सारे हमारे ड्राइंग का क्वालिटी इंप्लीमेंट करें. Not only for house, for everywhere I'm telling. And also the rotation of text. See your sheet is like this and your format is like this, either horizontal format or vertical format. So you are observing sheet in this direction. Okay? The way you are observing the sheet in the same direction आपका text होना जरूरी है. So you are observing the sheet like this is kitchen. So don't write that. Although the kitchen is like this, suppose kitchen है ऐसा है. Whenever you are holding a plan, either it is in the soft copy or hard copy, the way you are either observing. So the text style, the font should be suitable to your reading. So some people, what they will do, they will write as kitchen. I don't know. So I am holding like this, but text को rotate करते हैं. Don't do like that. Even though I'll tell many times, sometimes people will do like this one. सर किचन का एंट्री इस तरफ है, तो हम ऐसा चाहेंगे, तो इसीलिए मैंने ऐसा लिखा. Don't tell all these things. So although the kitchen will be like this, you have to mention only the way you are observing the sheet like this. Kitchen. Not dimension. So the way we are reading the dimension, our eyes should match. तो हर बार हम ऐसा घूमना मुश्किल है ना, इसीलिए. So the way you are focusing on the text should be easily readable to your eyes. If you rotate kitchen में एक डायरेक्शन, बालकनी में एक डायरेक्शन, हॉल में दूसरा डायरेक्शन, टॉयलेट में दूसरा डायरेक्शन, नहीं तो सर पर स्पेस नहीं इसीलिए ऐसा कर रहा. डोंट वरी, लेट इट बी. स्पेस नहीं तो उसको किसी वॉल का ऊपर आने तो कोई दिक्कत नहीं. Always the way you are observing the same direction में आपको font size everything ना. Don't rotate. Okay. So these things: feature, line weights, text font size, font location, and font appearance should not be rotated. Okay. So these things you must. And line weight particularly fun. कभी आपका some of you are learning in the beginning stage of this AutoCAD. So there will be always confusion between the your furniture you are copying from somewhere. So most of the time you are depending upon libraries फर्नीचर के लिए उसके ऊपर लाइब्रेरी नहीं होता किसी और फाइल से आप जाके कंट्रोल से कंट्रोल भी करोगे उस चक्कर में यू विल हैव फर्नीचर का अलाइनमेंट अलग होता है वॉल थिकनेस का अलाइनमेंट अलग होता है सबसे फर्नीचर का लाइन मोटा दिखता है वॉल थिकनेस कम दिखता है सो दिस थिंग्स यू मस्ट करेक्ट so before make it as a PDF please mind it all these things and don't do any writing dimensions only the room name and room size and not okay and one more important thing each यहाँ पे sheet number 2 is typical details of type 1 type 1 type 2 type 3 type 4 उसमें floor plan you are required to provide one floor plan with 1:100 scale DU study 3D model 3D view one elevation and section cross section 1:100 ठीक है so typical type 1 type 2 type 3 type 4 type 5 type 6 you have 6 typologies some of you have these are all the second floor फर्स्ट फ्लोर सेकंड फ्लोर थर्ड फ्लोर फोर्थ फ्लोर सेम होता है ग्राउंड फ्लोर में थोड़ा डिफरेंस आएगा बट इवन तो यू गिव फर्स्ट फ्लोर प्लान डोंट वरी अबाउट ग्राउंड फ्लोर ओके ग्राउंड फ्लोर में डिफरेंस देयर मे बी a little some of you have ground floor as a parking और किसी को ग्राउंड फ्लोर में dwelling with entrance lobby. But even though you have to give only typical floor plan. Only mention typical floor plan and typical floor plan में एक DU का 3D मॉडल चाहिए मुझे. 3D मॉडल roofless मॉडल. Already मैंने इसके बारे में explain more. एक DU का roofless. If you remove the roof and see the DU, how it will appear with furniture, with walls, toilet tiles, toilet fixtures, bedroom furniture, living room furniture. So likewise, 6 3D views are minimum required. Each typology में एक 6 typologies में 6 3D views. एक DU का पूरा फ्लोर प्लेन नहीं चाहिए मुझे. एक DU, 1 DU is enough. Okay, एक DU का well rendered 3D view with help of any rendering software we can render it. Some of you I know some of you don't have the knowledge of 3D, but even though this is the time we have to improve our skills. Right? That's why I'm giving time. I'm giving postponing all these submissions one after another. Okay. So floor plan, one typical floor plan with 1:100. मैंने जो बताया floor plan में साइड लाइन में अभी इसके पहले जो सारी चीज बताया एंड वन 3D व्यू, 3D व्यू उसमें कुछ डायमेंशन कुछ लेंगे, 3D व्यू चाहिए मुझे, एंड एक एलिवेशन के बारे में मैं बताऊंगा आपको। फ्रंट एलिवेशन चाहिए सबसे पहले, एलिवेशन फ्रंट एलिवेशन एंड वन सेक्शन। तो ओवरऑल आपको, तो दिस इज वन सेटअप, वन एक डीयू का है पूरा, इससे ज्यादा मुझे नहीं चाहिए। Likewise, you will have 6 different floor plans, 6 different DU 3D views, and 6 elevations and 6 sections. ठीक है, तो आप लोग अभी लंच करके आइए। एलिवेशन सेक्शन के बारे में आपको आफ्टर लंच आई टेल यू, ओके? So hopefully we'll connect after lunch at 1:45. So I don't want to take much time since you have review tomorrow. You can have your work. Okay. Shall we go for lunch now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. 1:45 and we'll meet. 5 minutes lunch break. So this is the setup for each typology. Even while you are arranging your portfolio also, first your site plan, next your DU type 1 DU details of typical details of type 1, उसमें फ्लोर प्लान का साथ 3D दोनों एक ही शीट में आ सकते हैं, ये दोनों एक ही शीट में आप दे सकते हैं, और ये दोनों एक शीट में दे सकते हैं। 2 शीट्स में, 2 A1 शीट्स में आपका काम खत्म हो जाएगा। And don't forget to mention the whatever the section line you are giving, no? तो सेक्शन लाइन इसमें प्लान में मेंशन करना जरूरी है, ओके? एट द सेम टाइम एलिवेशन यू आर गिविंग, तो प्लान डेफिनेटली प्लान विल हैव नॉर्थ, ईस्ट, वेस्ट, नो, नॉर्थ साइड एलिवेशन, साउथ साइड एलिवेशन, और नॉर्थ ईस्ट साइड, west side elevation, whatever elevation, I say like that you have to mention. Okay, elevation का टाइटल क्या है? नॉर्थ ईस्ट साइड एलिवेशन और नॉर्थ साइड एलिवेशन। सेक्शन सोर्स सेक्शन एक्सएक्स डैश, वाई डैश, बीबी डैश। ओके, तो मुझे भूख लग रहा है, तो मैं लंच करके फिर आऊंगा, तो 45 को फिर few more details I will tell you about housing. Today I would like to clarify all your doubts regarding the house. Thank you. You can go for lunch. So I'm not going to close this laptop. No, it will be here only. You can have lunch. But everything should be appeared in your elevation with proper line weights. If you maintain the line weights, so automatically the depth it will appear. The depths will be appeared through your line weights. Okay, which is the front part, which is the lower part, upper part. Okay, so those projections and floor levels, ground line, hatching, your hatching and your line weights, it will bring the elevation, the condition of elevation. Next, the bad habit is you will provide window don't have any sajja. So without sunshade, many times students used to provide windows. So according to your elevation concept or anything, if you have any special thoughts about your sajja, you can give. But a window without sunshade, how it is possible? We are in Western countries, we are not in other cold countries. You must measure the windows, glass. Okay, terrace features. Some students, they will do everything up to terrace floor. They will do everything good because everything is creative. ग्राउंड फ्लोर पे जो है फर्स्ट फ्लोर में कॉपी पेस्ट टेरेस तक अच्छे से करेंगे बट आफ्टर टेरेस you will have staircase room, you will have lift room, you will have your water tank. So the way you are observing, when you are observing the building, so is these things are appearing? If it are appearing, you must mention your elevation. So lift room, staircase room, they are different heights. Sometimes water tanks may be separate. Your parapet wall, above the parapet wall, these things may be appeared, may not be appeared, but you must observe. Okay, don't forget to mention these features. Terrace means a terrace plan, horizontal plan, no, floor. After that, एक parapet wall 1 meter or 1.2 meter. This is called terrace. Terrace को ऊपर lift. What about lift room? What about staircase room? Students will not put because this is my past experience with your seniors. So that's why I don't want to repeat those things in your sheets. So the way you are observing the building, you know, that's why elevations का पहले आप sections do the sections करने के बाद आप elevation करेंगे तो आपको easy आ जाएगा. It's easy for you. You first work out with sections and after that elevations. Sections को कभी-कभी आप elevation you can convert in elevation also. Okay, for each and every lift room का level में elevation में mention करना पड़ता है. Lift room bottom level, lift room top level, roof level, staircase room roof level. So एक hidden line mention करना उसको level. The same things should be appeared in terrace. Elevation में floor top level only mention the floor top level and give the this is so and so level. But in section floor thickness you must mention. Okay, that will come later. So mainly terrace features, windows and such different projection आगे पीछे होता है आपका balconies, sometimes some kind of roofs and ground line rates, hatching. So these are the things you must very careful. Or if at all I find any mistakes in your section, I will clear the section. Okay, those are lettering. Very less lettering part will be there in elevation. Only that is front side, north side elevation, south side elevation. Bus. And if you since it is rendered elevation का पीछे if at all you put nice sky background, it would be good. If you want to put it, it's my suggestion. So these are the things should be there in your elevation. Only the levels, lettering, to mention and north side elevation. First floor, second floor, third floor. This only this one lettering part. More than that, the road will be another lettering part. And don't mention any running dimensions in elevation. Presentation like should it's like a photo. Front image, front view of building. Let it have more aesthetical and okay. So light weights. एलिवेशन के बारे में बताता हूँ, किसी को कुछ डाउट है तो पूछो। डोंट फॉरगेट ग्राउंड लाइन विथ नो थिकेस्ट लाइन वेट। एलिवेशन में ग्राउंड के नीचे you can't see basement. Don't put it innocently. Ground line and plinth. Sometimes plinth very less, 300 over, whatever it will be. And every floor line, floor top line you have to mention. And moreover, your line weights and your hatching and should have good aesthetical value.
सर
हाँ,
सर आपकी वॉइस ब्रेक हो रही है सर, क्लियरली सुनाई नहीं दे रहा सर।
केवल आपको हो रहा है, बाकी को भी हो रहा है।
सर लगभग सभी को हो रहा है सर।
आपको कैसे पता?
सर मैंने नेटवर्क चेंज करके देखे सर मेरे दोनों।
अच्छा,
सर वॉइस बीच में ब्रेक कर जाता है सर, बाद में सुनाई देता है सर।
फिर आपको कपड़ा लेना पड़ता है।
यस सर।
आ जाओ फिर कपड़े लेना।
सर सीरियसली सर वॉइस ब्रेक हो रहा था सर, आधी बातें समझ नहीं आ रही थी सर।
ठीक है, ठीक। ओके, तो नेक्स्ट sections. Sections, as I suggest you, first you prepare the section. Every section must go through either lift room or staircase. So आपको maximum you have to prepare 6 elevations and 6 sections. So every section you should go through the either lift room or staircase. मान लीजिए 6 sections में 3 sections with lift room, 3 sections with staircase room. Okay, like that you can manage. And also you need not to cut the section straight away. Section you can cut. Generally section will cut like this. Okay, and section arrows, these are all important. What is the meaning of this arrow, Sumit? सेक्शन में एरो का मतलब क्या है सुमित? सेक्शन लाइन में एरो का मतलब क्या है? So whenever you provide the section lines in your plan, ये एरो होता है। इसका मतलब क्या है?
Sir, we see the view in that direction, the section.
So the way that the arrow is focusing in the direction, elevation detail, section details we have to give. Okay. The way that arrow is focusing, that side sectional details we have to mention in the section in our sheet. So many times students arrow एक तरफ होता है, details एक तरफ होता है। बाद में सर मैंने भूल गया, like people used to do some kind of want to accept that. Please check your arrow lines while you are drafting floor plan. Okay. According to that section line, arrow line, suppose here x dash, x dash. एक सेक्शन का नाम x dash. तो x से लेकर x dash तक, and arrow is showing upward. So those upward details I have to mention on the sheet. Sometimes क्या होता है एलिवेशन सेक्शन में you will mention here section x to x. So there is a building. हम प्लान में चेक करेगा तो वो क्या है, ये x dash है, ये x, प्लान में अलग है, यहाँ पे अलग है। आपने रिवर्स किया, जो यहाँ का डिटेल्स यहाँ पे नहीं है, उल्टा हो गया। ध्यान से मस्ट नो करेक्ट। तो where you are starting, this is x, so this side should be the x, and this is x dash, so this is x dash side. Okay, so the way you are cutting, in the same way you have to draft on your sheet. One section line arrow, another section reading. The way you are reading, the same way you have to draft. And the third one is every section must go through a lift room or staircase. And section straight ही काटना है क्या? ऐसा कुछ रूल नहीं है. Suppose your plan is like this. तो elevation का पहले सबको समझ में आया होगा. So you will have a plan like this. Big building. So I can get. So see here, I have made a section like this. This is my plan, something building plan. I am cutting building from here to here. यहाँ कुछ नहीं है. So I am cutting the same here. ऐसा कुछ रूल नहीं है. If at all I ask to cut the section, you will do like this. And you will give these details. Simply, it is easy to make your work easy, more easy. But that, no, don't do like that. Don't do such type of these things. Try to give more details. Okay, you can come up to here and make offset, and you can do. And here detail, this is zero level. उसमें कुछ detail नहीं आएगा. आपको बिल्डिंग में केवल इसके इस पोर्शन में डिटेल्स आ जाएगा, and इस पोर्शन में डिटेल्स आ जाएगा. Lens and wall lens. Okay, this straight for this portion details will not appear. There is zero. To give more details, you have to do like that. Well, you can ask, sir, why should we give like that? Offset to आने की जरूरत क्या है? ऐसा करूँगा. I can cut like this, like that you can argue with me. But I would like to tell you, if you cut this, if you cut like this room ka why the purpose, the reason why we are preparing this section to give the inward structural details about the particular building. The section must speak details designers or engineers or working people in the site. Okay, so इसीलिए इसे स्ट्रेट भी कर सकते हैं. स्ट्रेट में इसका एलिवेशन आ जाएगा, इसका फिर सेक्शन पोर्शन आ जाएगा. बट मेरा स्टेयरकेस यहाँ पे है. स्टेयरकेस यहाँ पर स्टेयरकेस नहीं मुझे. That's why I am asking. You can cut like this. This is offset. This is all offset. You can make n number of offsets. Okay. So it need not to be rushed, right? You can go for offset in section line. That is my intention in this time. And second one, lift line weights and hatching, as I told you, in elevation. Elevation से compare करेगा तो your line weights and hatching should be very perfect, much perfect. Okay, because the hatching is explaining about a particular material here. Every line is mentioning the condition of the building. That's why it should be perfect. It should be, there is no compromise of any unnecessary lines. Every line should have good meaning, and every hatching, concrete के लिए hatching होता है, plaster के लिए hatching, wood के लिए hatching, different things you can follow. So with PCC के लिए अलग hatching है, RCC के लिए अलग hatching है, brick work के लिए hatching अलग होता है, furniture some other material के लिए अलग, glass के लिए hatching अलग होता है. So all those details must have clarity in your section. You should have your wall of plastering thickness भी mention करना. Cement plaster thickness tolerance on both sides वो भी mention करो. And wall hatching. And concrete hatching. Concrete में RCC, try to give RCC in a solid hatch, mention अलग से. And PCC अलग hatch, RCC के लिए अलग hatch देना, wood के लिए अलग hatch. At the same time, line weights for different line weights for different areas. So all the cutting portion should have good in line weight, motor line weight on it. Brickwork portion, your RCC portion, the cutting plane में जो चीज कट हो रहा है, उसका heavy line weights होगा. And some things, few things it will be elevation cutting. When you cut, when you are cutting the building and you are seeing. So this is not only section, it is a sectional elevation. So architectural sections are, these are not only taking the cutting portion area details, and it is mentioning the cutting का आपको क्या चाहिए, sectional elevation है एक तरीका से. So what are the things which are in elevation part? The things actually are the cutting plane. So अंतर आपको through line weights का तो दिखाना जरूरी है. By your line weights you can make the differentiation between the cutting portion and the elevated portion. Okay. So that line weight and hatchings are very important. And levels. Elevations में basement का जरूरत नहीं है, पर sections में basement है. जितना लंबा आपका सेक्शन है उतना लंबा आपको जितनी नीचे बेसमेंट होगा उतना दिखाओ. B1 तो तो आपको सेक्शन लाइन में सेक्शन में बेसमेंट भी दिखाना जरूरी है, तो नीड नॉट टू मेंशन ओवरऑल द बेसमेंट, जितना आपका सेक्शन लाइन है उतना तक बेसमेंट, प्लान में जितना मेंशन किया उतना तक बेसमेंट नीचे मेंशन करना जरूरी है। एंड बेसमेंट्स में तो you will have again you will have slab thickness for every floor, you have to mention the slab thickness, slab thickness mention करना पड़ता है, एंड एट द सेम टाइम slab thickness का लेवल थिकनेस कितना है और लेवल कितना है, so each and every floor you have to mention like this. And ground floor, you have to mention the ground floor profile. And basement level, with ground line, floor wise, different floor, first floor, second floor, third floor, like that you have to mention. And basement levels also you have to mention. Okay? The same time, parapet top height, mumty room detail, heights details, and lift room height details, lift room bottom slab height details. So every profile, every floor profile lines, you must एक order में आपको यहाँ mention करना पड़ता है, and उस there you have to do the dimensions. And don't do any dimension here. Building के अंदर कोई भी dimension करना मत. Since you are working with scale, that's enough. This section is not for. It is only for reference. We're not given for working drawing sections. It's only for presentation section at all the floor levels profile, and in between slab thickness 150 and in between floor height 3 meters or 3.2 meters, whatever you take, taken the mention. Side में सारे heights till your lift room top to basement bottom तक एक height profile आपको यहाँ पे mention करना पड़ता है. And don't give any dimensions here. Just mention this is basement 1, basement 2, ground floor, first floor, and second floor, third floor, like that you can mention. Or you can mention here. Suppose ground floor 0, so this is minus 3000, minus 6000. This is plus 3000, plus 3000. This is plus 6000. This is plus 9000, plus 12,000. Like that, you have to increase till lift room top level or water tank, which is the top surface on your building. वहां तक आपको ये सीक्वेंस आपको मेंशन करना है. Only that dimension is enough. इसके अलावा और कोई रनिंग डायमेंशन कोई डायमेंशन करना मत. और मेरा एक विनती है, जो बिल्डिंग के अंदर जो चीज है, suppose you have cut the section through bedroom, you have cut the section through kitchen, you have cut the section through any balcony. Balcony to balcony right. Don't do any height को mention करना मत. Already scale, that is in the scale में हमको पता चलेगा. You need not do any dimensions. So railing and kitchen platform height, bedroom and cot, either it is the cutting portion or elevation, सारे details इसमें आना जरूरी है. अब your section is going through the bed, cot through there. If you cut the cot, how the cot will appear? Cot, it is not going through the cot side से जा रहा है, and cot can appear as an elevation. Sometimes some furniture, dining table and chairs, doors heights, windows sill and windows top and lintel. जहाँ विंडो कट हो गया वहां पर लिटल होता है, लिटल के साथ छज्जा भी होता है. तो ईच एंड एवरी छज्जा का bottom drip course or detail means that triangle appeared on that should be appeared. Okay, so that's why I have given levels, line weights, hatching, furniture, and interior components. Furniture interior components means doors and elevation of doors, sections of doors, elevation of windows, sections of windows, and floor thickness. So you will have RCC 150 mm wall, but इसको ऊपर again your 25 tiles नीचे mortar, that also you have to mention. And sometimes when your section is going through toilets, there is a matter of sunken slabs. सारे आप लोग फर्स्ट ईयर सेकंड ईयर में कर चुके हैं. I'm not telling in new things, but the scale is in bigger scale. The only differentiation is you know all these details, but the scale is in bigger scale. एक sunken slab मतलब क्या होता है? Slab नीचे होता है, so that profile also you have to change. Slab सीधा आ गया तो टाइल की जगह में सब नीचे चलेगा. Okay, right? So these are all the main things. And lettering. Lettering also uniform font size, uniform text. Lettering maximum hoता this is basement 1, basement 2, first floor, second floor, third floor. These are lettering and section. Name of the section X, section Y dash, like that. Other than this, you will have your own format. एक सेक्शन एंड एक एलिवेशन की शीट पे प्लान कैसे आ जाएगा एंड प्लान एंड दैट 3D व्यू एक शीट पे प्लान कैसे आपको है. दो शीट्स में आपने एक टाइपोलॉजी, ये टाइपोलॉजी का दो शीट्स कहते हैं 6 टाइपोलॉजीज 12 शीट्स प्लस साइट प्लान. ओके, इसके अलावा और कुछ है? स्टेज 1 में यही मेंशन किया ना, तो सभी को समझ में आ गया ना? सेक्शन के बारे में कुछ डाउट है? गुड.
हेलो
हाँ माजिद,
सर, लेयर कंपल्सरी है क्या?
लेयर्स see I need line weights. Okay,
लेयर जरूरी
I
नहीं
need
है.
line weights. So there are, to maintain the line weights in your drawing, there are different methods are there. One method is you can create the layers. Another method is you can have CTV, color table. Don't go for layers, you use color table. CTV क्या होता है एक बार चीजें और समझो. So rather giving different line weights, you can give different colors, and each color will have different line weight. उसको बोलते हैं CTB. वो कलर टेबल के लिए different कलर्स को जो हमारा एक CTB होता है, CTB को हम अटैच करेंगे प्रिंट आउट लेने के टाइम, PDF बनने के टाइम. ओके, तो आपको मजे, सो मुझे लाइन वेट्स चाहिए. तो हाउ यू विल ब्रिंग दोस लाइन वेट्स, either through layers or either through color table. चाहिए. अगर मुझे AutoCAD नहीं, मैं मैन्युअली करूंगा, यू आर मोस्ट वेलकम. मैं हाथ से करूंगा, जो यू डू, आई विल गिव 10 मार्क्स एक्स्ट्रा. सबसे those who submit their drawings manually, all these drawings, so you will have special marks comparatively other, but it should be in good presentation mode. ठीक है? So the basic things I explained about sections and elevations. Now I would like to ask site level 3D view. Model, it is not possible with us in these conditions. So I am asking the site level 3D view. जिनके पास site level 3D view नहीं है, वो लोग मॉडल, फिजिकल मॉडल बनाते हैं। एक 3D मास व्यू, डिटेल व्यू नहीं चाहिए मुझे, एक मास बिल्डिंग। सो यू हैव 5 hectares land. Is it 5 hectares? The entire 5 hectares land is having four sides roads. So how entire? So where are your type 1 units? Where are your parks? Where are your playgrounds? Where are your different units? Your entries, exits. मुझे एक साइट लेवल 3D मॉडल चाहिए सॉफ्टवेयर इधर स्केचअप और 3ds मैक्स का थ्रू, और एक साइट लेवल फिजिकल मॉडल चाहिए मुझे। दोनों में एक जरूरी है। ओके, दोनों में एक जरूरी है, फिजिकल मॉडल और तो दोनों में I need not building का windows का चर्चा, balcony, railing, pipes, pipe के बीच में gap, इतना डिटेल मुझे नहीं चाहिए। But it should be in the scale. Should be in the scale. What are the scale you will take? And it should be in the, if it is the matter of physical model, it should be the scale. It should have proper height. So type 1 का height आपको ज़्यादा होगा, type 2 का height और ज़्यादा होगा, type 6 का और कम होगा। तो everything should be in the scale, proper scale में होगा। In the same way, if at all you have the same proportion में आपका 3D view भी होना चाहिए। 3D view. So 3D view, those who are going through this SketchUp or 3ds Max 3D views, any other Revit architecture. So 3D view with different corner view from different corners. Okay, suppose you have so view physical model के बारे में मैंने बताया। Now I am talking about the 3D view. Those who are following 3D view, इस कारण से you shoot the 3D SketchUp में नहीं तो 3D even Revit architecture में you have cameras. सारे व्यू बनने के बाद 4 corners से 4 different views you have to capture and put it in one physical model. So the board is north and this is south, is east, west. Am I correct? So एक view आपका 3D view में you set the camera from north. ये पूरा एक पिक्चर टॉप व्यू, एंड साउथ से एक पिक्चर, वेस्ट से एक पिक्चर, ईस्ट से एक पिक्चर। ठीक है, लाइक एक A1 साइज शीट में तो सेंटर क्या है, टॉप व्यू। इसको एकदम टॉप से देखेगा तो आपका 3D व्यू इट इज फ्रॉम टॉप, हाउ वो इमेज सेंटर में आना चाहिए। it is like a model, it is like a site plan. When you see from the top, exactly the perpendicular top. It's like a side plan that center में आना चाहिए. That image. So when you see from this direction, मुझे इतना जानता नहीं, उसमें डिफरेंट कैमरास होता है, कैमरा से पिक्चर कैप्चर कर सकते हैं. Am I correct? दिनेश?
Yes, sir.
Am I?
Yes, sir.
3D व्यू बनने के बाद, रेंडरिंग करने के बाद, हम डिफरेंट कार्नर से कैप्चर कर सकते हैं ना व्यू.
बिल्कुल सर.
ओके ओके. आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग एनी अब्दुल कलाम रॉकेट साइंस फार्मूलास. ये सबको जानता है. सब लोग नो अबाउट दिस थिंग्स. तो नॉर्थ साइड इमेज यहाँ पे आना है, ईस्ट साइड इमेज यहाँ पे आना है, और वेस्ट साइड इमेज यहाँ पे, और साउथ साइड इमेज यहाँ. तो लाइक दैट एक शीट. ओके, एक शीट इस तरह के साथ. सो दिस इज द स्टेज 1 सबमिशन. इसके अलावा और कुछ है? मैंने भूल गया क्या? लवली is there in the class?
Sir, working drawings and all.
आया?
Sir, working drawings, electrical layout, plumbing layout.
स्टेज 1 में, स्टेज 2 में जाऊंगा.
Sir, stage 1 में इतना ही है.
स्टेज 1 में यही है ना. सो और ये नहीं है तो फिजिकल मॉडल. So in both cases, the building mass is required, not detail. But landscape, roads, entrance gates, so all things should be appeared properly. Okay, the buildings only, the building form, height, fixed height, and the base of it.
सर पार्किंग लेआउट भी तो इसमें है. पार्किंग लेआउट.
Yes. Parking layout. Yes. Lovely. You're telling lies. Huh? That also I will explain.
Sorry, sir.
सर कल के लिए टाइम दे दो सर, वो भी करना है.
कल के लिए?
सर कल के रिव्यू के लिए काम करना है सर, टाइम चाहिए.
Tomorrow you don't have review.
मतलब?
Tomorrow, I'm doubt. I may come. I may not come. So tomorrow review Friday. Okay. Tomorrow we will Friday. Entire Friday we will have review. Okay.
थैंक यू सर.
So tomorrow you don't have review. Friday. So I already spoke to. I think moreover your theory syllabus is finished. I think. Am I correct?
यस सर.
So tomorrow, so don't know. You can entire day you can work and for Tribal SD basic plan. ठीक है. हम उसको अगले next day after tomorrow. So day after tomorrow by 10 o'clock, all of you, I'll send that Edmodo code. Sarika drawings वहाँ पे आना है. There are 3 panels. As usually 3 panels. Me and Venkatrao sir and Amit Chandra sir. No, we will conduct the review. Okay.
सर परसों वाला चाहिए ना?
हाँ जी.
सर वो जो परसों रिव्यू है उसके लिए हमें सिर्फ फ्लोर प्लान्स चाहिए ना?
फ्लोर प्लान्स, एलिवेशन, सेक्शन
और सब कुछ हैंडमेड.
हैंडमेड.
ओके सर.
Not detailed floor plans, detail no sections, just basic sections.
ओके
just for understanding. Okay, section मतलब एकदम brickwork thickness, उसका mortar thickness, clear dimensions मुझे नहीं चाहिए. Dimensions not required, but should be in scale. Plans, the basic plan with furniture. If you do not mention bedroom size, all these things mention करना मत. हमको समझ में आ जाएगा ये बेडरूम है, ये किचन है, तो ये जो स्कूल बिल्डिंग है, ये प्रिंसिपल रूम है. तो मुझे समझ में आ जाएगा। जस्ट वॉल्स, विंडो ओपनिंग्स, डोर ओपनिंग्स एंड बेसिक फर्नीचर, तीनों चाहिए। नॉट मेंशन करना और सेक्शंस। ओके, हो जाएगा। ऑल
Yes.
फ्लोर, वन एलिवेशन वन सेक्शन, नहीं तो वहां सेक्शंस, इससे ज्यादा करना मत। एंड साइड प्लान। ओके, तो अभी ये समझ में आ गया ना?
Yes, sir.
तो आपको पार्किंग ऑलरेडी एक्सप्लेन ना earlier, why should I explain again?
Yes, sir.
Double line, yes, lovely double line, not single line.
Okay, sir.
Okay, right. No single line, everything in double. And scale. Okay, parking already explained, my dear. पार्किंग विद ड्राइववेज, एक पार्किंग लेआउट, एक मतलब एक कंप्लीट पार्किंग, यू विल हैव डिफरेंट पार्किंग लेआउट, नो लॉट्स, एक पार्किंग लेआउट। So now no, I don't want to disturb you, so you can start work on your school building, and tomorrow also you can no, tomorrow also you don't have any design class, and day after tomorrow entire Friday you will have review, that is final review. Please be ready with all the details, and 10 बजे तक एडमिट में अपलोड कर। Students, those who they will appear, they will upload in Edmodo, for them only we will conduct review. अर्बन डिजाइन क्लास में, अर्बन डिजाइन एक्सटेंड रिव्यू में सबको ग्रेडिंग मिल गया ना? तो only 21 students are attended. So I have given the grade through Edmodo only. I said a grade, and बाकी 15 students are absent. 15 students absent in your class, so उनको ग्रेड नहीं मिला, उनको मिलेगा 0. So I don't have time to mention their names, but let them be like that only. They can't, they don't want to grow, they want to simply time waste and time pass. They're not taking subject seriously. Okay, so I'll stop here. I have to explain electrical layout and plumbing layout. मुझे लगता है इतना जरूरत नहीं है। इलेक्ट्रिकल लेआउट, यू टेक एनी वन फ्लोर प्लान, डोंट टेक LIG फ्लोर प्लान, ओके? टेक एटलीस्ट MIG और HIG फ्लोर प्लान, एक ही फ्लोर प्लान, उसको इलेक्ट्रिकल लेआउट बनाओ, उसको एक लेजेंड बनाओ। So when you are in second year or the last year itself, you have done electrical layout, no? क्या नहीं किया आप लोग?
Yes, sir, किया था।
No, in the same. अब एक फ्लोर में 4 रेजिडेंस होता है, लोकेशन ऑफ द व्हाट आर द पॉइंट्स इन किचन, व्हाट आर द पॉइंट्स इन बेडरूम, वेयर यू हैव टू गिव अ मेन MCB, switch board. So after opening the main door, where you have to look at your switchboard, where you have to look at your control boards with different heights. So आप last year जैसे electrical layout बनाया, वैसे electrical layout to dimensions. So whatever the points you will give, उसको at least 2 directions से dimensions दे दो, क्योंकि ये site पे working के लिए, ठीक है ना? So electrician को easily can understand. This is the control. This is CB, control board. So plan में उनको control board from this window, it is control board center 2.5 meter. At least one side दे दो, two sides difficult है, one side dimension दे दो from wall corner, from any other column corner. And इसका height, अभी legend में इसका height उनको पता चलेगा. And extra क्या है? If you take floor plan, floor plan में every floor will have electrical. There is a shaft, electrical shaft. उसी floor That is a continuous shaft from connecting to all floors. Electrical shaft का location भी आप इस floor plan में mention करना पड़ता है. At the same time, corridor में भी staircase का जगह में, corridor का जगह में, lift का जगह में, you have different points. No, light points. Corridor में lighting चाहिए ना? तो corridor में भी those corridor points also you have to mention. Corridor एकदम it is no double loaded corridor for a center करके you can give some light points, ceiling mounted lights. You can give, don't give any fan points, only light points are. And moreover, it is like typical. एक floor को करेगा तो आपको same floor you have to do. It's easy for you. Okay. एक electrical layout, एक plumbing layout means kitchen fixtures, bathroom, toilet fixtures, and if you have utility में washing machine के लिए outlet. All these things, how they are plumbing duct और toilet के बीच जो भी duct है उसको duct how they are connected. इसके नीचे details हमको नहीं चाहिए. Okay. Extra thing you have to do. Kitchen, एक typical kitchen wall elevation. ये केवल kitchen के लिए detail. So there is an L-shaped kitchen, L-shaped kitchen with window, and there is your stove is there and window is there. So elevation में इसका okay, anyhow, don't worry, the details में करना. I don't want to give the basic plumbing details. That's enough. So next year you will have working details next semester, I think. Now you are in 5th semester, no? 6th semester working drawings. There is no building construction. Building construction में working drawings है. In that working drawings, again we have to work for this working drawings. उसमें kitchen details, toilet details. So we will prepare. Again we have to prepare. So that time we will go for much details. A basic electrical layout and basic plumbing layout and site level landscape. This is very important, my dear. Site level landscape. दोबारा आपको site plan करना पड़ता है. Site plan को तो how you are organizing your park? How are you organizing your footpath? Footpath का एक section. एक typical plan. अभी आपने urban design में रोड का plan जैसे बनाया. एक typical footpath details. Footpath, typical road details, road section with curbstone, footpath with curbstone, and if at all you have any pavilion gazebo in your landscape or park, gazebo details, and what kind of plants you are suggesting. Try to study about the local plants which are suitable for the particular environment, and these details also in plan you can mention. The working details. And your entrance and entrance portal at the big portal entrance gate, how it is matching with the compound wall with some sleepers. So whatever about your building and your check part, so you can give at least 2 or 3 details. Plan बना के 2 or 3 details you can mention. लैंडस्केप आपको लैंडस्केप किया होगा ना स्मॉल स्केल में लास्ट सेमेस्टर में.
यस सर किया था.
कविता श्रीवास्तव मैडम ने आपको समानो. आई एम नॉट गुड इन लैंडस्केप, दैट्स व्हाई. ओके. Stage 2 is really important, and you see if you prepare all these drawings, so this by seeing your portfolio you can get easily writing opportunities. So after completion of your 8th semester, so you have to apply through college for different training employers. So by seeing your portfolio, a student who interview जरूरत नहीं है, directly they can come to our office. Like that, they have to tell. Your portfolio must speak to them about your interest and about your skills in architecture. That's what my intention was. So this semester and next semester and thesis. 6th, 7th में dissertation I know, and your thesis. These are all important. And try to improve your skills, try to improve your scales. Whether the way you are understanding the building condition, the way you are understanding the people and the people functions. Okay, even take this senior secondary school design also. Take it seriously. Make good for you. Anything you want to ask me? The time is
Sir,
2:40.
एक डीयू का प्लम्बिंग ब्लॉक बनाना है।
एक डीयू का सारे डीयू बनाओ। कंट्रोल से कंट्रोल भी है ना, एक डीयू का रहेगा तो एक ज्यादा ट्रेन रहेगा। हाँ, उसमें एक संकन स्लैब पर एक सेक्शन, छोटा सा सेक्शन ऐड करो बस।
सर एक ही फ्लोर प्लान का बनाना ना, लाइक MIG HIG का प्लम्बिंग
एक ही फ्लोर MIG और HIG, LIG का करना मत। LIG में एक ही टाइप मिलेगा।
ओके सर।
उसमें द पाइपलाइंस हाउ दे यू आर कनेक्टेड टू द डक्ट तक कहाँ ले कैसा ले जा रहा है, एंड उसमें you can give details about exact this different tabs, wash basins. डाइनिंग में वॉश बेसिन जरूरी है, बालकनी में अगर डाइनिंग में नहीं तो बालकनी में वॉश बेसिन जरूरत पड़ेगी। यूटिलिटी में किचन में सिंक इज रिक्वायर्ड एंड सिंक एक्वागार्ड और वाटर प्यूरिफायर एनी, एंड washing machine point is required for utility. In toilet, wet area, dry area, wash basin, the points which are required in dry area, the points which are required in wet area, WC, different WCs you can give. Okay. The basic, this is basic plan. Details में हम 6th semester में करेंगे। एक टॉयलेट का पूरा प्रोफाइल वर्किंग ड्राइव हम बनाना पड़ता है। 6th semester में हम वर्किंग ड्राइव करेंगे। Anything you want to ask?
सबमिशन डेट क्या है सर ये हाउसिंग की?
हाउसिंग की सबमिशन डेट 15th of January 2021। टेंटेटिवली उसके मैं आपको एग्जैक्ट डेट आपको सबमिशन नहीं होगी, रिव्यू होगी। रिव्यू का दिन सुबह अब तक आपको एडमोडो में अपलोड करना पड़ता है। Asha Imam, you want to do architecture to 6 years architecture, 5 years architecture? Asha Imam से पूछना, architecture is 5 years course, not 6 years course. Okay? Majid? Students, I would like to tell you, even though it is difficult for you and tough for me, if at all next semester में if government allows students to colleges, it's okay. Or else those who are able to come to college, you can come. I'm not talking about next semester. And those who want to accommodate nearby college like Majid जैसे last semester बाहर रखा, like because as per government rules we can't open the hostels. You can come and stay nearby college with any PG or anything. आपको कोई कोरोना में आ जाएगा, हमारा जिम्मेदारी है, ठीक है? It's better. So this online is not suitable for architecture. Okay, not to anyone. Yesterday I was there at home. How my LKG first class studying son is struggling with online teacher. फ्रॉम छोटा बच्चे से लेकर इवन PhD स्टूडेंट्स तक, दिस ऑनलाइन इज नॉट एट ऑल सूटेबल. It is architect, moreover architect it is a matter of आमने सामने. ठीक है, few things for me also I am telling the fact. Few things I want to tell you, I want to share you, I am not able to tell. Always my mind is lingering with when this network will go off, when this some technical problem will come. About one side कैमरा सेट करना, अदर लैपटॉप को ये मेंटेन करने के चक्कर में मेरा आधा दिमाग निकल जाता है. तो देन हाउ कैन आई टीच यू? टेल मी. If I teach you something, I can grow and I can be perfect for next batch. At the same time, I can't watch your designs, I can't see your design properly. Online में just tier wiping actions I am doing, and literally I am telling the fact. That's why जिनका पास मुश्किल है तो मैं कुछ नहीं कह सकता हूँ. तो जो स्टूडेंट्स यू वांट टू accommodate near my college, you can accommodate and can come to the classroom. It's better. I'm talking about next semester. Maybe in the February, by the time the vaccine will come and government is allowed students to hostels, then no problem. Everyone should come on hostel. Okay, it's real matter. Okay, all the best. And tomorrow entire day you can use it for Triple design. And we'll meet on Friday. And Friday morning you will have design review. Thank you.
सर
हाँ.
सर एडमोडो पर आपने कोई ग्रेड दिया क्या?
एडमिट में हाँ रेट दिया ना.
सर मेरे पास एक भी ग्रेड नहीं आया एडमोडो में, किसी भी
क्यों?
उसमें.
आपने रिव्यू नहीं दिया होगा कैसे?
सर मैंने सारे दिए हैं.
अरे दिनेश,
यस सर.
रेट मिल गया आपको? हामिद,
यस सर.
सोली,
यस सर, ग्रेड मिला.
माजिद,
Yes,
आकाश. बाकी आपका एडमिट में कुछ ना कुछ प्रॉब्लम है, एक बार चेक करें.
सर वो तो सब कुछ आ रहा है जहाँ पर आपने लिखा है कि अपलोड करने के लिए, या फिर सर सबमिशंस भी आ रहे हैं, लेकिन
क्लाइंट है ना कुछ मैं भी एक बार चेक करो, आप भी एक बार चेक करो. अगर नहीं आएगा तो मुझे कॉल करना. ग्रेट.
सर कौन से रिव्यू का आपने ग्रेड इसमें दिया है? क्योंकि कुछ तो आपने उसमें दिए थे.
इसका पहले सारे मैंने आप व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप एक्सेल शीट में मेंशन किया ना PDF में. इसके पहले ऑल रिव्यूज.
यस सर.
कल वाला रिव्यू मैं साफ साफ आपको ग्रेडिंग दे दिया.
अच्छा सर, वो नहीं आया मेरे पास.
एक बार चेक करो. अब रीइंस्टॉल करना है, रीइंस्टॉल करो.
सर वो मैं तब से वही तो कर रही थी सर, नहीं आया.
ओके 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 ठीक ठीक है. मैं दोबारा चेक करूंगा.
ओके सर.
Okay. So all of you please prepare for tomorrow. I'll stop here. Arshit, please send the attendance. Arshit.
Okay, sir. I will, sir.
अच्छा, दो हर्षित कैसा आ गया इसमें? तो कितना?
सर वो एक लैपटॉप से है और एक सर फोन से है.
हाँ, आप कितना इंस्ट्रूमेंट यूज करते हो करने के लिए? हाँ, ठीक है.
सर
नहीं
वो हो जाता है कभी कभी.
ओके. तेरी आत्मा तो नहीं ना?
नहीं सर, मैं आपकी क्लास सर 2 बार लेना चाहता था ना, इसलिए मैंने फोन से भी ले रहा हूँ, लैपटॉप से भी.
Shall I'll stop here now.
हो गया अटेंडेंस? हर्षी.
हाँ जी हो गई यार. जय करो यार. बिल्कुल बिल्कुल एक मुंह पे ही मार दो मेरे. अटेंडेंस ही
हो गई ना?
हाँ हाँ बिल्कुल हो गई.
पता नहीं क्या